Anuja, hi, thanks for coming and visiting us. I just wanted to ask you if you know some Turkish people in your community, in your neighborhood. Have you visited any Turkish businesses? What kind of experiences you had with the Turkish community in the UK?
Yeah. Well, as a Euro candidate, I go and canvass all over London, and because I go to different areas, I get to meet lots of different business people, and I've met a lot of Turkish people. I've met families, I've met business people particularly, and they're always very friendly, very amiable, very open to discussion, talking very friendly and honestly, and I really like that.
Anuja, we have a Friends of Turkey group in the Liberal Democrats Party. We are trying to bring a Turkish flavor to the Liberal Democrats, and also we are trying to win people from the Turkish community to the Liberal Democrats. Have you been to some of the Friends of Turkey events? What do you think about them, and what other kind of services would you expect us to do for the Liberal Democrat Party?
I've been to, I think, 4 Turkish events by the Friends of Turkey, and they've always been extremely interesting, topical debates and discussions, and I really enjoy them because, first of all, they inform us of a perspective that most of us don't get from the media, and unless we had to visit. So I like Friends of Turkey because they bring Turkey to the UK, and that's very helpful for many of us. Because we need to, and also, they also present a very open and friendly Islamic Muslim perspective. And this is something that's very rare because our media and our education systems and the way the politicians speak about these issues on terrorism, etc. There's only one kind of view that you get of the Muslim community. Whereas I think with the Turkish community, because they reach out, they go out there to speak to people, they're presenting the happier, the family-oriented, the economically successful perspective of the Islamic community.
Is there any other particular service that you expect us to do? Would you like to suggest us anything that comes to your mind?
Well, I think that what I'd like to see the Turkish community do is to integrate their debates, not just around the issues of the Islamic community, but to say how to integrate it within the wider British community. And that means having a discussion, for example, on the veil. This is so topical today. But not to have it just from an Islamic perspective or from an ethnic minority perspective, but to bring in people who have these issues and why do they have these issues, and tease it out, because you've done really good work on debates and discussions around these issues, and I think the cultural integration happens better when there's face-to-face dialogue. And
Thank you very much, Anuja. Thank you very much for your visit.
You're welcome.